Florida out here by the water. I'm Titus Jones. You guys welcome to 34 GLS by Cruisers Yachts. It just became one of my favorite boats. Let me tell you all about this thing. This particular GLS is available here at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. It's a luxurious, sharp-looking boat. It has the silver interior. It's powered with twin Mercury 400s, which gives it more than enough power, I gotta tell you. Here at the helm, you got twin Simrad chart plotters. Everything you need here is at the touch of your fingers. Toggle switches. You got your VHF stereo down there. You also have Roxor Fargate stereo system here. This particular boat has the upgraded sound package. The front of this boat is enclosed by a windshield, which you can tell there's a lot of space right here for you to see. The captain sees everything. I have a clear field of view, hard top right here, which is excellent. Everything you need at the helm is here. Let's talk about what's in the back of the boat by the transom. So back here at the transom area, as you can tell, it's an ample amount of space. You got a whole lot of room back here. This is a very beamy boat, which is very cool for me because I like to stretch out and have a good time. This can be converted into a sun pad if you want to lay out on it. You also have some storage underneath, which is great for storing life jackets, throwables, whatever you need to store down there. You also have a separate stereo head, so if your passengers don't like what you listening to, they can change the channel. This could very well be the life of the party, but we're gonna take you to some other parts of the boat and show you that. So we're in the cockpit area of the boat. Like I said, this is a very beamy boat. It's very spacious here. More than enough room for you and your family to lay out and enjoy all the amenities that this boat has to offer. This part turns into a sun pad. You got cup holders right here. You also have featured on this boat a summer kitchen, which also has a refrigerator, a sink, trash can, and a grill top. Just above me here, we have the extended shore shade that goes all the way out towards the transom, so your passengers can enjoy nice shaded area here in the sun. This is a great place for everyone to hang out. I still got some more to show you though. Let's go. We are down here in the cabin of the 34 GLS, and it's very roomy down here. It also features a refrigerator, got a microwave, television, and another stereo head. It also features a stand-up bathroom or head shower. Up here now at the bow of the boat, I want to point out some features that you got up here. You got some grab rails right here recessed into the gunnels. Also very conveniently located some cup holders as well. You're right here next to a wonderful sound system. You have another stereo head up here at the bow as well. Also, you can use this space for a filler to where this all becomes like a sun pad and you can just lay out. It's a very deep feel. A lot of bow don't have a deep feel to it, but this one makes you feel like you're actually inside the boat and you're very comfortable here on the 34 GLS. If you want to take this boat for a ride, you're more than welcome to. Come see me, Titus Jones, at Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. See you later.